I got these aftermarket replacement ring batteries. Let's open it up and see what you get with this. I've had one of these sets before and the charging pack didn't last very long. This is actually gray. I thought it was going to be black. Here it is compared to an actual ring battery. You can see right here. Let's look at the specs on the back here. I want to see how they jive up. Same model number, same volts, same output milliamps. As far as the specs go, they appear to be exactly the same, and they're both made in China. Second battery, just a USB charging cable, the smaller one. And we have the battery charger itself. So, okay, we plug it in, everything turns green. Plug the battery in, turns red to indicate that it is charging, and I'm assuming it's going to turn green when it's good. But yeah, everything works as it's supposed to work. So far right off the bat, the specs jive up. They appear to be very similar. You can see the top here. So looking forward to trying these out and hopefully get them to last a little bit longer in this cold. There it is, the rechargeable battery replacement, compatible with the ring.